In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your Manychat account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're moving on to a new tool or simply tidying up your online presence, this step-by-step guide will ensure the process is smooth and hassle-free. First, you'll want to navigate your browser to Manychat. To do this, enter the URL app.manychat.com, sign in the address bar, and hit enter. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Click on the sign in button and enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to what is widely known as the Manychat home. Here you'll find various options and tools that Manychat offers. But for our purposes, we need to head over to the home tab specifically related to our Facebook account, which organizes your channels and gives you quick access to various functionalities. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the settings button, typically found in the main dashboard area or a side menu. Clicking on settings will open up a new panel containing several options for managing your account and its functionalities. In the settings panel, you'll find a section labeled General. Click on the General tab to gain access to a variety of account management options. The general settings page is your go-to spot for all things related to your account basics and is often the place to start if you're looking to make significant changes to your account status. Finally, as you scroll through the general settings, you'll come across the option to delete account. It's important to note that this is an irreversible action. Once deleted, all the associated data and settings will be permanently gone, so make sure that you're fully committed to this decision. If you're ready to go through with it, click on Delete Account. You may be asked to confirm your decision, providing a final opportunity to reconsider. Taking this step means you won't be able to recover any data, so ensure you've backed up any necessary information. This could include downloading chat data, exporting contact lists, or verifying that no important information is stored solely on the platform. And there you have it. You've successfully deactivated your Manychat account. This straightforward process ensures you maintain control of your digital footprint while allowing you to manage your presence online effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful how-tos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.